I just pulled into this Sam's Club here in northeast Dallas near Jupiter Road, and I discovered a small flock of wild parrots, little green birds, which really surprised me greatly. So I'm going to try to sneak up on them so you can see. Pull easy. They don't spook as easily as the blackbirds do. So you see them? There they go. There's one more. And they're up on that power line. Let's walk over there and see. I want y'all to see these parrots. It's a flock of parrots. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. And one more over here, 10 little parrots. They're allowing me to get relatively close to them. I'm not moving very fast, but there they go. So that's it. That's pretty interesting, huh? Y'all have a good day.